Hey guys, in this video I am with Dean and we are going to do a wind-up collection. We have like 1,000 wind-ups in there. So here's a wind-up. So we have a wind-up collection, what mostly Dean does. So you're gonna put that guy down there. We're gonna watch him move. So this is one part of our collection.
Yeah, this is the milk.
Wait, no, I didn't show them at first though before making the move. Just make them go. But without on the thing. Here, so this is
A bean.
a bean. Some guys are broken for some reason. Here, wait, Dean, remember
This
Dean.
thing lost a screw.
Wait, I'll take the guys out and then I'll give them to you, okay, Dean? Wait, Dean, the guys that we already used, take them out, okay, Dean? Okay, take the bean out. Here, look, I'm just gonna show this guy. It's not really a wind up, but you put him back and then he goes.
Okay.
Here, remember, okay.
Okay.
Here is a weird bug thing. Wind him up and put him down.
Some of them have a Z on the wind-up thing.
Let me see.
Basically, he moves randomly. I forgot.
Okay, now let's see who's next. That is Cricket. Okay, here's a bug. Wait, let me just show the camera really quickly. Here's a bug.
It most likely is a fly.
Look, it has wings. It's a dragonfly.
Yeah.
So put that guy down there. Tell us which wind up you think is your favorite. That thing is fast. Put that down there. Whoa.
Still do it. Okay.
Stop. Oh, okay, I'll get another one. Here. Wait, remember, I'll give it to you, Katie, so you don't have to take it. So this is Frankenstein. I think. There you go. Well, Frankenstein's monster. Gonna walk off a cliff. Well, that guy's going. Here, I'll show you this one. He looks like a dinosaur. He is a dinosaur. So wait, I just want to show something real quickly. So I think his mouth. Nope, never mind. Okay, he's a regular dinosaur.
You know his mouth opened?
Maybe when he moves or something.
Oh.
Do you collect wind-ups anymore?
Yeah.
You put him down. He moves super slowly. Like an action dinosaur. Boom, 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 boom.
He moves slower than the Frankenstein. Can he make it off the cliff? By the way,
Yeah,
here's the UFO.
So where that guy's going? Here's a UFO.
Didn't I have a golden UFO?
Oh, let's just do them one at a time. Still moving. UFO. 13. There you go.
Wait, look. See how he's down and he's up?
I think the one up is actually on top of him. Which once again, it has a Z like Amy was talking about.
It's got Z's all around it.
Whoa, that thing's freaking fast! Wait, I have an idea. I don't know. That thing is really fast. Okay, maybe that's it for the UFO. Here's a purple bean. Same thing as the green one.
Do we have to show a move or just like
We show move because maybe it works. Maybe it'll work on like the green one. No. It goes backwards. He's gonna go off the cliff. Nope. Yep, he doesn't want to. There he goes. Oh, off a cliff.
Here's a hex bug wind up. You actually wind it up from here.
Oh, that was actually like one of those things where you just push it back and it goes.
Yeah, actually I was.
So put that little buggy down. Mr. Nothing. Oh, it's down.
It doesn't even move.
Keep moving a little bit.
Yeah, but like it doesn't even. It barely moves itself.
Yeah, I'll take another one. Here is Mrs. Pac-Man. Well, wait, is that what's that side of him? A ghost. I mean her. Mrs. Pac-Man.
Is he ever gonna like go to the? Nope.
He died. Okay, so use the Mrs. Pac-Man I brought out. He doesn't. Okay, he finally stopped.
Same thing with the dinosaur.
Whoa. Do it again.
It's hard to wind it up right next to the arm.
That's a cool one. Okay, that one's my favorite, I think. I think it's like one of the fastest ones. Plus it has the mouth. Plus it has like, look how it closes its mouth. Okay, here's another one. What is this? I think this is broken.
Yeah, but that's the top half of something I got.
Okay, I'll keep it here for now. Okay, I'll take another one.
Can
Let's use an original. Here we go. This is a original one. It's one of the classics. Lined up teeth. Okay, so what's next? Oh, look at Chicky! That was cute. Okay, let's do another one. Here's, Wait, let's move back a little bit so we can see it.
Face though.
I don't know what it looks like. It looks like something.
You try to wind this up.
To wind it up more, though.
I know, but try.
Why?
It's hard.
Whoa, what the frick?
Well, I guess this is broken. Interview.
Okay, what's next?
Wait,
Okay.
this is next.
Yeah, but you need to give it to me once you take
You
it.
may not believe this is it's actually not.
Oh, it's one of those things?
Yeah, actually, it's not one.
Okay, I'll check this thing out. Oh, what the fridge is this thing? Wait, let me show them it.
It's a this thing. Yeah.
Okay, you take it. Still a rubber. Oh, he likes to run. Okay, that's it for that one.
He likes to run off a cliff a lot.
Ooh, an elephant. Danny, you know what this show reminds me of? Remember yesterday we were watching Cake Wars? You remember that fail of a dinosaur? Where like a dinosaur is coming up like this? Here, wind this cute little guy up. Okay, it doesn't work. Weird. Okay, I want to see what this first sheep is. Sheepy.
The sheep.
I didn't fall so fast. Wait. Nope, it's still there. Let's see another one. Okay, this is a penguin. Wait, let me see show them it. I'll give it to you, okay, when I'm done showing them it. So that is penguin. Here you go. Oh, it's all over. Happy feet. He's so happy. Oh, okay.
Wait, look, this one is, look,
Wait,
this...
wait, let's do this one, because it's another penguin. Same thing.
Except it's...
Wait, let's see them both together. Put them both there. Look at them. Can you wind them up both together? Here, wind that one up, give me him, and I'll make sure he doesn't, like, you know.
Yeah, I could do them both.
Okay. Oh, there they go. Do-do-do-do. I'm gonna push him. Okay, Zoe, what's that thing you're looking at? The weird clear one?
Oh, yeah. This actually had a pumpkin. This actually had, like, pumpkin on it, but somehow I figured out that, like, I just, like, took it off. I just, like, took the pumpkin face off for a second. Then, I don't...
it? I don't know what the pumpkin face is. If we find
Now
it,
it looks like Slenderman.
place that. Let the freezer down. Boy, that one goes crazy. Okay, that's it for that
The
one.
next one is, this one.
Let me
Its
see.
head broke off.
Oh.
But he's still okay.
I like him better without the head. Okay, what else? Oh, look at this thing. It's another hex bug.
You have to wind it up.
Wait, oh, wait, you need something where you go. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do it just to show them. Okay, so, oh, it's a duck.
Here is the beautiful duck. Na, 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 na. It's got a Z again.
Oh, I like that one. It's gonna move his head. Okay, let's just let it go off the cliff. Wait, leave it there. If it goes off the cliff, don't mind. Oh, he stopped into an outcome. Okay, well, what is this thing? Okay, wait, I need to show him it. This looks awesome. Whoa, look at this thing.
I like this one more than that one though.
Oh, there's another one?
They're actually made by the same person. Look, on the front it says look on the front
Okay.
and on the back. See? I like this one better though.
Okay, we'll put one of them down. I'm gonna put the other one down after.
I don't think this one will work because somehow this got attached to it.
Oh, okay, and then use the other one.
No, I want to see if this works first.
Yeah, it doesn't really work. Okay, choose the other one. Here. So this is the blue guy.
So this is
Looks like a blue robot. After this, we're gonna end off the video, and maybe we can make another part, I guess. Kadeen, use them. He doesn't really work either. These don't really work well. So I guess that's it for the wind-ups. There's a lot more left. But I'll show you, I guess, the rest in another video. Okay, guys, goodbye.